Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news. Indian Railways has commissioned a 5.1 51.38 kilometer railway line to Sairang in Mizoram. Comes under GS3 economy. It is to improve connectivity in Northeast and boosting India's Act East policy aimed at deeper integration with Southeast Asia. Serang Railway, commissioned in 2025, which cuts 18 kilometers short of Aizawl, Mizoram's capital. The project began in 2008, delayed due to landslide, terrain, and manpower issues. Includes 48 tunnels, 142 bridges, cost exceeds 5,020 crore. 18 workers lost lives in 2023 during bridge collapse involves India's tallest rail pair. Travel time to Silchar reduced from 5 hours to 1.5 hours. Indian Railways, established in 1853, country's first journey covered 21 miles between Bombay and Thane. Revenue generation, according to 2022-23 data, 69% are from freight operation, 24% from passenger service, and 7% from other sources. Future growth. By 2050, India is expected to contribute around 40% of global rail activity, fourth largest rail network following the US, China, Russia. India boasts one of the largest railway network globally. GDP contribution contributed approximately 1.5% of India's GDP. Karadan Multimodal Project Transit, a transport corridor linking Calcutta port with Situate in Myanmar onward to Mizoram by inland waterways, road and rail. Gauge conversion, strategic infrastructure. The right to repair must include right to remember. Comes under GS3 environment. In May 2025, Indian government accepted recommendations of repairability index introduced incentivize from formal e-waste recycling. The government accepted proposal for repairability index to rank products on their repair ease, spare parts access, and software support. New e-waste rules include minimum payments to incentivize formal recycling. Right to repair framework launched in 2022. National portal introduced in 2023. The repairability index. Criteria for rating products were availability of technical documents, ease of disassembly, availability and pricing the spare parts. Convention of former MP Prajwal Revena in rape case has drawn national attention due to his political linkages and the use of digital evidence. Comes under GS2 governance. This marks a significant development in prosecution of criminal cases involving public representatives. Former MP Prajwal Rejwana, convicted in 2021 rape case involving a 48-year-old domestic worker. A special court for MPs, MLAs sentenced him to life imprisonment on August 1, 2025. Conviction based on video evidence, DNA reports, and victims' testimony. SIT formed post leak led to his arrest in May 2024. First charge sheet filed in 2024 August. Allegations of victim intimidation and political shielding by his family were noted. Special courts of MPs and MLA. Special courts for MPs and MLAs are specialized judicial bodies established to expertise the trial of criminal cases involving sitting and former member of parliament and member of legislative assembly. Key mandates. Supreme Court mandate in 2017. The Supreme Court directed the establishment of special courts across the country to handle criminal cases involving legislator. Establishment and function. 12 special courts. State-specific jurisdiction was enrolled. Karnataka Platform-Based Gig Workers Social Security and Welfare Ordinance 2025 seeks to extend social security to gig workers. Comes under GS2 governance. Its method of calculating the welfare cess has raised concerns regarding adequacy and sectoral inclusion. Ordinance imposes 1 to 5% cess on gig workers. Sample for Zomato 2024 financial shows payout based is leaders. This yields less revenue. Suggested alternative cess charged on total transaction amount not paid. Cess and charges. Cess is a tax on tax levied by central government for specific purpose. Surcharge is charged on income tax paid usually by taxpayers in particular tax bracket. Please practice this mock question. Thank you.